Chapter 8, The Fourth Quest for Hearts. Going over the rules on this particular page, we have a couple of heart missions that require 2 hearts each, so a pair of hearts, 4 hearts total. And we're going to look at this first one. This is the 7 of hearts. And this involves Peach. We have a little cameo from Mario and Peach. So this is, well, I guess Mario's dead. So Link is here, and there's Mario as a ghost. Peach wants you to take Mario to the cemetery to put him back in his proper tombstone. So this is Boo Mario. Now, much like the Chain Chomp, if you take Boo Mario, you toss a coin, and if it's tails, nothing happens. If it's heads, you roll a 6-sided die to see how many enemies he can scare away. He can scare away up to 6. So he can scare away enemies in the dungeons and in the out in the wild, the club cards, the spade cards. And you take him all the way to the 8 of hearts. This is the 8 of hearts here. So when you set up the board, then you encounter the 8 of hearts. And here is the tombstone. This is the burial site for Boo Mario. Once you take him to the 8 of hearts, then you'll get a heart increase, and then you roll a 12 die to see how many you get on top of 3. Let's just do this for fun. So 12, it would be 15. I'll put that here. Hold one moment. And there you go. Through the power of editing, we got 15 hearts. And then we put the 3 hearts back. Where is that? So you can now tell the 4 links apart. And that's how this one works. And now let's go to the 9 of 10. Oh, one other thing. If you take the Boo back during rainy weather or nighttime, you can get 3 coin ruby bonus. So there's that, like that ruby bonus you showed before, you could get extra rubies. So now we get to the cat in waiting, which is a 9 of hearts. And here we have, so let's put Link here. So let's say when he gets over here. And then we got, who is this? This is Pushing. It's Pushing. So we got a cat. The cat doesn't have any fighting mod skill, so you take the cat with you. You're going to take the cat to the 10 of hearts. But you cannot take him with you during wind or rainy weather to the 10 of hearts. The cat has no heart points. However, if Link is killed in combat or trapped between mountains, so the cat will return home. The cat will return home to the 9 of hearts. So the cat can easily get spooked and go back home. So we go to the 10 of hearts, and the 10 of hearts is this one here. Let's move it over here. And it is the wind-up fishing game. Here is the wind-up fishing game. So this is the fishing game. I've shown this before. And Link would get a fish for the cat. Let's see if we can stand Link proper so that all this does not fall apart on me here. So here is the cat, here's the fish, here's the fishing rod. And what you're going to do is, well, you have to wind this up, and you have to catch as many fish as you can before the spinner stops. So let's roll. You have to roll an 8-sided die, and 8 is the most difficult. It could vary depending on which Link or how many times you try, but you have to catch all 8 fish before the spinner stops. Or you could roll to get a 1, and then you have to catch just 1 fish. But if you catch all 8, then you get the heart bonus, roll a 12 die to get as many hearts as possible. That's how this one works. And that's it for now. To be continued.